So we're going to be doing Travessa de Se, but before we do, we'll just kind of show you, give you a little context of where we are. But we're not too far from the Portuguese embassy and the Portuguese bookstore, which are these two over here. And we're going to be heading down this way in a moment, which is Travessa de Se, and that's going to be our target street. And before we even go down, let me also just kind of show you some other stuff that's around here, including the way to Sao Paulo ruins, which is directly this way. You can see all of our signs up here. And then this one goes down to Cathedral Square. It's got some really beautiful buildings. And we're gonna head down Se over there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So there's Se. It's going to be really, really busy. So yeah, welcome back to Macau. I'm going to film a little bit while I'm here, and then I'm going to be taking off again. Oops, hey, hello.
How are you?
I'm very good. That's the girlfriend of an Australian guy that lives here in Macau. So we are going to walk up Travessa de Se. Yeah, Macau is actually kind of a small place, so you'll definitely see people that you're familiar with. Actually, before we go up, let me just... Hello, how are you? This is our target right there, Travessa de Se. Okay, let's go. This is going to be kind of a busy street. Because actually you can see all these people here everywhere, right? And this street will target towards mainlanders, so you'll see a lot of mainland tourists everywhere in this area. And they'll usually, I don't know if it's like known as a kind of a place to get food or snacks, but you'll see like a bakery right there. And there'll be kind of foods that are catered towards the tourists all the way up. Let me just kind of see what kind of bakeries they have in here. It's kind of typical. Okay, so we're gonna head on up. This is very popular. This is like beef intestines there. Okay. So I think that's really popular with, especially with mainland tourists, but also locals alike. This one will be popular as well. We're gonna keep on going up. Kind of similar store, restaurant.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi.
And this one. And we also have this one as well. So this one is, so they kind of have like this waffle kind of thing. And kind of milk tea stuff as well. Okay, so we have kind of a whole stretch of these kind of restaurants like that. And there's a few more coming up here too, so we're gonna highlight those as well. So I think this also has those kind of waffle things and milk tea as well. Here's Menka, food and drink. Kind of similar. Kind of intestines. So most of these shops have the beef intestines. We call it beef opal, I think. So, okay. So this is basically our street here. Another one, fresh juice, juicy. I think that one might be, I can see if that's ice cream, and yeah, it looks like they're serving ice cream there. So, okay. So we're gonna keep on going up, and we'll focus on more and see what we have. There's another one. So they kind of have a lot of the same stuff on the street, but it's very popular. And then this one will have some really nice murals everywhere. So these murals would be painted by George Chinnery. So all these murals all the way down to be George Chinnery. And he's a watercolorist who was very famous here, 1800s. I have highlighted him other times, but I think I'll just keep going up our Se Street. Some more murals. Yeah, pretty nice street actually. And Macau is a very photogenic city. The Dream Corner. Oh, I think this is a Catholic shop. St. Michael the Archangel. So you can see some of the... Okay. I think the women in red and white, they're like, usually they're packing their bags because they're buying a bunch of stuff to bring back to the mainland. I'm going to come up here. It's going to be the ending of Travessa de Se, and Travessa, the ending comes up to the cathedral. So there's Se Cathedral. This is Se Square. That over there I think is Jesuits, I think. There's some kind of diocese, so it's all kind of connected. And then over here is part of the square, so we're gonna include that in ours. So this nice square here. We were kind of back in that little corner over there. That was our Target Street. It's kind of cool. Those kids are getting a bunch of leaves and putting it together. It's kind of cool. Chasing birds. So pretty cool. Really cool. Okay. So this is this kind of Se, and over here is São Domingos lane. The other was Se lane. This is São Domingos lane, St. Dominic's. So it's kind of a similar structure to the other one. We got Rua de Se, Se Street, and then you also have some other things back here which are also named after Se too, I believe. Yeah, I can also explore in this little area as well. I think I'll do that. Let's go around the block real quick. Oh yeah, this is called Cathedral Se. And actually this is kind of a sanctuary. Feels kind of nice to come in here. So our Target Street was down that way, so that was Se, but then you can also see all these kind of cool looking buildings with all these like huge porches. Got really nice porches in this area. So it's actually kind of a nice street. We're just gonna come in here into a block, but yeah, actually this one is kind of cool looking, I think. And we're just gonna come back out. And then when we come back out, we'll be back at Se, and we can come to some kind of conclusion there. Cathedral de Se. Rua de Se. And then we got Travessa de Se Square. And then we're gonna end up with Se Cathedral, or Se Lane. There's also Se Cathedral as well, which is over here. And then we're gonna come back and end it over here with Travessa de Se. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.